Hello and welcome to One Man's Collection. My name is Brett. Today we're back with the Ferrari Collection Magazine. This is number 29, the Ferrari 550 Barchetta. I believe that's how it's pronounced. We do have a 143 scale model in yellow. I will take a closer look at that at the end of the video. But first of all, we will go through the magazine, see what they actually get in this particular magazine. So in this one, I've got the single-seaters, conventional but effective T12 T4. This is the Formula 1. 550 Barchetta from 2000 to 2001. They were made early 1950s race track winner, 212 Export. And the poster is obviously of the same car, the 550 Barchetta Rosa Deluxe. So I'm not going to read all of the stuff here. If you want to actually have a look at it, hit pause, read through the articles. But despite the 312 T4 producing impressive results, it was not an especially good looking model. In part, this was down to its boxer engine, which gave the model a square off rear end. Still, engine was a rear 12-cylinder boxer, just under 3 litres at 515 horsepower, 12,300 RPM. No known max speed, but there were 5 of these built. Chassis number 37 to 41 inclusive. Yeah, very good. Didn't we have a look at these one? Was it last week? I think we had to done the T2. Power reliability of the boxer engines. Yeah, I think we had a bit of a ride up on these. And dominating the racetrack. It does have that ugly looking front though. On to the 550 Barchetta 2000 to 2001 run. The use of the term Barchetta harks back to the days gone by. In 2001, the convertible also became the last incarnation of Ferrari's 550 model. Yeah, it's a nice looking car. Got a few of these, I think, not all convertible. Some hardtop ones as well. Silver, I think, from memory, and maybe a red one. Oh, actually, I think I've got a 118 scale red of these. The Great Ferraris. Good looking car. Barchetta boasted a top speed of 300 kilometers an hour, 186 mile an hour. It was only slightly less than the Maranello 320 at 199 mile an hour. Difference is down to a less sophisticated aerodynamic configuration of the Barchetta compared to the coupe. There you go. Do have a poster, nice big yellow one to match the model we have here. Also on the other side of that is Michael Schumacher promoting the vehicle. Excuse me. Just going to go through this fairly briefly. Utilizing lightweight materials. Rear storage. To work better with the profile of the Barchetta, the rear luggage compartment was longer than that of the 550 Maranello. Soft top, the hood was stored in a small compartment behind the cockpit. Side vents behind the front wheels were stylistically reminiscent of those found on the classic 250 GTO racer from the early 1960s. Yes, it was. So what do these have? A 65-degree V12, 5.5 litre or 5.474 to be exact. Twin overhead cam, 4 valves per cylinder, 485 brake horsepower at 7,000 RPM. Top speed 300, 448 plus 10 pre-series production models. So 458 in total. Sporty, classic and custom body introduced in 1951, the 212 Inter was available in a wide choice of bodies from coach builders including Ghia, Vignale, Pininfarina and Touring. The rare shorter wheelbase 212 Export was a more race-orientated version. Different coach builders could actually build the body on it. Spare page there, yeah, there we go. Engine had a 60-degree V12, very nice, 2.562 litre, so almost a 2.6. 3 Weber, 150 to 170 brake horsepower at 6,500 RPM, the top speed of 200 kilometers per hour, 124 mile an hour. And numbers produced, about 80. So they don't know exactly, I'm guessing, but about 80. Very nice. Coming up in the next model is the F355. 358 had been at its heart the Ferrari's mid-engine lineup since 1989, but was phased out 6 years later and was replaced by the F355. Another classic collaboration with Pininfarina. It illustrates how form and function could be combined in a stunning effect. Yeah. Take a look at the 550 here, though. I'll get a little bit closer. And I just got to disconnect this power here, because I can't get my hand around to show you guys. Trying a new camera now. Hopefully, actually, this looks much better. Much better. It's actually picking it up. Alright, good. Improvement on upcoming videos. My lighting's actually working. This is a nice end. A nice rear end that I'm talking about. No number plate. Got your badge, wording inside. Let me just have a look. It actually looks... Oh, they're very hard to see, those dials. I wonder if they black out when not being used, because they're not. There is some sort of surround there. Let me get a light on this, like a brighter light. There we go. Yeah, so there is a stereo in there. So they put some sort of decal and stuff in there. Actually, that works really well. But it is very dark, even on the dash there. Also notice that the mirrors poke up a long way on this. Get this out of my hand there. See that? The mirrors go up. I guess that's to get over that rear end. Put that down. Is that a lock there? It is. Okay, I thought for a second I had a dot. It's actually part of the decal. Got a bit of a grille. I think that's actually painted there. A nice car. 550, so not much underneath, but we do have, it's not just plain plastic. Do have the center muffler system and even the gearbox drive system. Very nice. I like this. I'll put this on the turntable for closer view for you guys. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a great day. Cheers. Bye.